welcome to Gomes Tech Talks channel. So today we are going to see 4 free and fast publishing journal, and that too Q1 and Q2, that is quartile 1 and quartile 2 journal. So we'll be discussing various factors like how to choose and everything. Okay, like all these things which are mentioned here, of course, and we'll be talking about various topics like engineering. I'm talking about the subjects. Okay, like multidisciplinary engineering, physics, biochemistry, management, everything. Okay, so almost it's a multidisciplinary journals and the science journals. Okay, so we'll be talking about all these things. So please stay with me till the end so that I'll be discussing various important factors you should check before you submit your journal. So before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel so that here you can find a lot of useful playlists. So this is the playlist for Scopus. Like if you want if you want to know about any specific subject, you can just go ahead here and search. And this is all about research, where I've talked about various important things which you should consider while doing your research. Let's go for the first journal, which is Karbala International Journal of Modern Science. So it's there in Scopus. The first thing which you have to check is whether it is in the Scopus. Okay, so you have to cross check. This is what the first one, you have to cross check the Scopus UGC VOS whether it is still there in the Scopus or not, because it's very important, because you will be seeing this video after a month or 3 months. Sometimes this journal might be not indexed in the Scopus if you are seeing it after some months. So you should keep that in mind. You have to cross check this first. Okay, then you should see these things. Okay, what are the subject area? You can see multidisciplinary, physics and astronomy, biochemistry, computer science, chemistry, and everything. That almost it covers all the science related one. Okay, so just click here to see like what is this Karbala University thing is all about. So this is the author guidelines. Like you can see here that this is a paper submission, and what are the article types they are accepting. Yeah, they are accepting original study, review article, and everything. Okay, so here you can find more about this before submission. What is the thing, what is the cost and everything. There is no cost, I think, because Karbala previously they haven't, like it's an open free one, and you can find everything about this journal. Okay, find about this particular journal. So when they are publishing it, what is the how many issues they are publishing per year. And you can find about like I think they are issue 4 issues per year. Okay, and you can see that this is a Q2 journal. It's a multidisciplinary journal, and if you want to see like what is the scope of the journal, you can go here to understand about the aim and the scope of the journal, where they are covering these research areas. Okay, so the range of areas interdisciplinary, and you can find it's a high quality modern science theoretical aspect. So you can try to submit your paper here. If you have any queries related to your research, like anything related to your career, anything related to your interview preparation, your students, your career guidance, resume review, anything, you can, anything related to your career, technology, research, you can schedule a call here. You can find the link in the description, so I'll be there to help you. It's a personal guidance. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is Arabian Journal of Science and Engineering. It's there in Scopus. So just you can click here to see about Arabian Journal of Science and Engineering. So it's like a 2.6 impact factor and 4 days. The first submission to the first decision is 4 days. Okay, they haven't mentioned about any cost, which means that only they will be charging for open access. If you want to go ahead with the open access, which means everyone can view your paper, and that you have to pay for that. Okay, or else you can, if your paper is accepted, then you can publish it here. So you can go here for aim and scope and see like what are the various topics they are covering. So biological science, chemistry, earth science, physics and engineering disciplines, chemical, civil, computer science and engineering, electrical, mechanical, petroleum and system engineering. So all about the engineering related domain field they are covering. Okay, so you can see here that you have to pay if you wanted to go with an open access. Okay, so yes, it's also a Q2 journal. Okay, Q2 indexed one. If you want to see, like you can just go and search for this. So I have searched for Q2 and Q1, so that is why I got this particular journal. Okay, so next to talk about is what Journal of the Indian Institute of Science. So you can see it's there in Scopus. I'm releasing this video in July 2024. Okay, in the mid of July 2024. So you have to cross check if you are trying to publish it after some months or weeks. So you can see here it's mentioned like multidisciplinary. Okay, you can see what are the site score and everything. Then let's go and explore this. You can see that only accepts invited review articles. They'll be accepting only the review article. Single blinded review. So here you can see like submission to the first decision is 7 days. Okay, and you can also see here that what are the aim of this journal. So invited, if you want to know more about like what is that invited article, what is q1, what is q2, what all these things, know any specific key terms, if you want to understand in the research, you can just comment it below. I can help you out. Okay, so here they have mentioned like multidisciplinary reviews journal covering all disciplines of science, engineering and technology. So irrespective of any specific subject, anything which comes under engineering and technology, they will be covering. Okay, and you have to pay if you want to go with the open access. So here you can see open access fees and funding. So how much you have to pay if you want to go with an open access. Okay, so open access in the sense what, like your paper should be available for everyone. Okay, and authors can also choose publish in the traditional publishing model. No IPC charges apply. Both options will be offered after the paper has been accepted. Once your paper is accepted, if you want to go with open access, then you can go ahead with what, like whether you wanted to go with an open access or not. So if you don't want with an open access, then you don't need to pay anything. Okay, so this is my blog. Follow this blog, the link is in the description, so you can see here, just simply click here, follow, you can follow my blog. Okay, and finally to talk about is what the transactions of Tianjin University, it's also there in the Scopus. Okay, so Tianjin University is also a multidisciplinary journal. Let's see what is that. So it's a free journal. Okay, so here you can see free of article processing charges, free open access for selected article. So they are also allowing free open access as well, fast and high quality peer review. And the scope is like multidisciplinary research of chemistry, chemical engineering and material sciences. So you can see here it also supports chemistry and multiple things which is related to the chemistry related subjects and domains. Okay, so in all these things, what you have to check is what, cross check the scopus, whether before you publish you have to definitely look that whether it is still there in the scopus. Then check the scope of the journal, whether that journal really comes under your scope, that is what subject you are planning to do, whether it is coming under that. Okay, third one is you have to cross check the ISSN ESSN number. What do you mean by cross checking? Nowadays you cannot find journal link here, which is like Scopus is not providing us a journal link. Usually in the previous you can find before a year, I have released various videos. Before a year you might have seen some link like journal link. Okay, but now it is not available, which means that you have to go and check how you have to check. You have to select this. Okay, right click, search in the Google, so it will show you the list of journals. You have to select the journal and then see what is this all about. So what is the problem here is what, sometimes there are few journals which are of the same name, few cloned journal, as well as the journal which is not indexed in the Scopus also has the same name. Okay, so you have to cross check the ISSN and ESSN number. How to cross check? Once if you go here, like you can see some numbers here. Okay, ISSN number, here you can see this is 240500609X. So you have to check here 2405609X. Okay, whether it's the same one, ISSN number is similar. And then you have to check the fee. If it is free, then go ahead. If it is paid, just check whether you can pay that amount. If not, try to send an email to the editor so that they can provide you a 50% off on your APC, article publication charges. I'm not talking about these journals whichever I have discussed today. I'm talking about the journals which are which requires payments, like you have to pay, right? In few journals you are supposed to pay. So for that journals, I'm just telling you can just cross check with the editors. You can send an email to the editor asking for whether they can provide 50% off for your journal. Okay, for your so how to write an email to the editor? So here you can check. Okay, so letter to the editor, writing a letter to the editor asking APC charges, like waive off to the APC charges. Okay, so here you can check that. And then what you have to check is what author guidelines. Read clearly how many plagiarism policy they are accepting, whether they have 0% acceptance only, 0% plagiarism, or 10% is they are accepting. Everything you have to check. And issues, how many issues per year, any special issues, whether they have any special issues. And frequently asked questions, you have to check the frequently asked questions. If few questions which you have which is not mentioned there. And finally any additional charges they have. So that's all for the today. If you have any other subject to discuss, please post it in the comment. If you have any questions in with you, if you want to talk to me, and you want any special one personal guidance, you can just schedule a call here. This link is in the description. Please go and check that. So thank you, take care, and bye bye. I will meet you soon with the next exciting video.